What's up, Boston? This is Haitianjonas, the only one. TM everything is all about Haitianjonas, but today we have Miss Honey Lips Pretty. Her real name is Melissa Pierre. She is Miss Haiti, representing this coming weekend in Boston. So, you know, when you're in Haitian channel, Haitianjonas, when you're in Tele Diaspora, when you big shout out to DJ Nasty. He has a killer radio show every Wednesday night from 9 p.m. till whatever time. And this is one of the radio that they're crying, they're looking forward to call FCC on because his show is crazy. So, let's welcome Miss Melissa. Miss Melissa, you're in Haitianjonas building. Everywhere we are, we represent. What's up? What's up?
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Melissa Pierre. I go by Melie, which is my modeling name. So you could check me out on Facebook. When you search me, search Melie. So I'm here today to tell you about my upcoming event this Saturday, the 10th of August. They have a Boston Miss Caribbean beauty pageant, and then I'm representing Miss Haiti. I'm asking you all for your support. Please support me by calling me on 617-652-6565 so you could buy the ticket. It's only $25. You may contact me once again, 617-652-6565. And then you may also check me out on Facebook, which is Melie. Like my page, I would really appreciate it.
Nice. How do you spell the Malibu?
It's Melie, then space BOO.
So it's Melie. Melie.
Yes.
So what pushed you to do the Miss Haiti?
Well, basically, and here in Boston, not only in Boston, they like usually they have Jamaica, Trinidad, other country, but they never ever have Haiti. But I'm here to represent my country, to make you guys proud and also make myself proud.
What's the name of that organization that's pushing it?
The name of the organization is like, it's in Boston. It's sponsored by Carney Hospital.
Carney Hospital.
Yeah.
So I know, but what's the head of the person that's pushing it?
His name is Marcus James.
Marcus James. Is he Haitian or?
No, he's from St. Vincent.
St. Vincent. Okay. So you chose? Is it a group of people that chose you, or you choose yourself to represent Haiti?
I choose myself to be Miss Haiti. In order to be Miss Haiti, they have to interview, and then like they have to send you an email and let you know if you accept it or not.
So you got accepted through what credential that they accept you?
Like, well, I went to the interview, like there was a lot of Haitians, so they interview like for like 10 minutes. Then again, they say if you're good, they're gonna call you or they're gonna email you. So like 3 days ago, once I get home, and then there's an email I receive on my email, they say, yeah, nice. Melissa, you got accepted for Miss Caribbean Beauty Pageant Boston. Then I was so excited.
So how tall are you?
I am 5'8".
5'8", that's pretty tall. Yeah. Is it the height that they accept for modeling, or?
No, it's not about the height. You know, it's about like the potential, like the way you talk, like, you know. Basically, it's usually about like the way you talk. Like you gotta talk from your heart. So that's what they're looking for.
So if today that people know they're gonna support the work that you're about to do in the Haitian community, why the Haitian community should help you or should allow you, support you in the work that you're doing?
Why? The reason why is like, you gotta support me in order to support you. You feel me? So if you don't support me, what's gonna make me support you? You understand what I'm trying to say? We are one. So support me, and then I will support you.
Do you believe in l'union fait la force?
I do believe in you.
Do you think your people are gonna come and visit you and show you some support?
Yes.
How much is the ticket?
The ticket is only $25.
$25?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes.
So I think they should come and support you in the work that you're doing for Haiti. You were talking earlier about the way they found you, You said it was through like your conversation, the way you talk. What else they were looking for
Like,
in terms of beauty, height, and your voice? What were they looking for before?
what were they looking for?
Yeah, the criteria they were looking for.
Nah, basically they don't have a criteria, right? So it's like, let's say if I come in an interview, you can't come, like, let's say you're gonna have an interview, right? You're going for a job and then you want the job, and then they say you have an interview. You can't come with jeans. It's like they're also judging you by your looks. You feel me?
Yeah.
So it's not only you gotta dress professional. So I was professional. I was talking from my heart, not from my mouth. Like I have it like I was talking like all the way from my heart, make them feels me. And then this is why I want to represent my country. This is why I want to do this. This is why I want to go further in life.
So, like I said earlier, I give a shout out to the diaspora who supported you when I said to Azura, Katie, and Yannick that supported you in your work that you're doing. And also, who do you want to give a shout out? Who do you want to make sure that will come to your event?
Well, I want to give a shout out to my manager AJ for supporting me, like for always being there for me. Also, I have my t-shirt coming out for my event. So please, guys, if you all could come and support me, you won't be disappointed. So please, I'm hoping for your coming. So to my mom, which is my whole model. So please, guys, and then to my photographer Aunt Wesley, thank you very, very much, guys. I really love y'all.
Make sure you guys go and support Miss Melissa Pierre, Malibu, and you can check out her Facebook like page, Malibu, right? Malibu. And then you're looking at her picture, her modeling pictures, so you can see if you like it. Just support the work that she's doing, and thank you for coming through Haitianjonas.com, and you can check out that video on Haitianjonas app. On Haitianjonas app, you must have an Android or Apple phone to get it, and you make sure you have $1.99. Or you can also check Haitianjonas.com and Facebook, and make sure you check out her Facebook too, and you will see that video. Thank you for supporting the work that Haitian people in the community and other people in the community, and may God bless you guys, and have a wonderful day, and thank you.
Thank you. Bye, guys.